If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to fix M2 MacBook Air running slow. If the MacBook Air M2 is running slow, here is what to do to boost performance back to normal. First, go to Apple menu and choose System Settings. At System Settings, scroll down and click on Battery. On Battery tab, at the top of the screen, look for Low Power Mode, and toggle this setting to Never. Exit out of System Settings and the Mac performance should be immediately restored and no longer sluggish. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.